You won't find a better truck than the Ford F-150. It's hard to find any downsides, with truckers only noting the hefty price of higher-end trims. The Ford F-150 has dominated sales in the half-ton class for years, and the 2025 model is set to impress everyone even more. Reliability and performance guaranteed. There are 6 engines available for the 2025 Ford F-150. Some might think the company is offering too many options with only a few good ones, but that's not the case. No matter which drivetrain you select, reliability, durability, and performance are guaranteed. The choice ultimately depends on the buyer's preferences and needs. The base choice for the 2025 Ford F-150 is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost drivetrain. It delivers a solid performance with 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, along with the best fuel economy in the petrol engine lineup. The maximum towing capacity is 10,100 pounds, making it a much better option than the Chevy Silverado's entry-level configuration. General Motors also offers a 2.7-liter engine, but with 4 cylinders and a maximum towing capacity of 7,900 pounds. This is why the F-150 outperforms not only the Silverado, but also all other rivals in its class. Still, many buyers will want more from their ride. For them, another V6 engine is available, offering 400 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant upgrade over the 2.7-liter engine, and a 3.5-liter power plant costs less than $1,700 more. With it, the towing capacity of the truck increases to 14,000 pounds, which is enough for the class-leading title. The 5-liter V8 is still part of the lineup, while many car makers, including Ford, are replacing 8-cylinder engines with smaller V6 and i6 units enhanced with turbochargers to match power outputs and towing capacity while improving fuel efficiency. Enthusiasts still believe these turbo engines can compare to V8 power. Ford's powertrain delivers 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, enabling the truck to haul up to 13,000 pounds when properly equipped. This engine is standard for the Lariat and Tremor models and is available as an optional upgrade for the XL, XLT, and STX trims. Hybrid truck with impressive specs. We're only halfway through the engine lineup, and the best configurations are yet to come. It's not easy to say, but a hybrid setup is one of them. There's still a barrier for the old-school truckers to accept new tech and modern trends. Efficiency is now a priority, and hybrid engines enhance fuel economy while reducing emissions. However, truckers also demand power and performance, which are often difficult to combine. Ford has crafted something special to meet these expectations: the F-150 hybrid truck with 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, a maximum towing capacity of 12,700 pounds and 24 mpg combined. Is this impressive enough? Let's not forget to praise the smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, another key factor in the 2025 Ford F-150's dominance of the half-ton pickup market. It's a power router for all the engines, distributing energy to either the rear or all wheels. The start-stop feature further boosts gas mileage, while special optional packages are required for maximum towing capacity. Unfortunately, with the shift towards cleaner power sources such as hybrids, there is no room for a diesel engine in the 2025 Ford F-150 lineup. Ford discontinued the 3-liter Power-Stroke oil burner in 2021 after just 3 years in service, and it's not making a return despite its popularity among truckers. Best off-road trucks ever. The Raptor remains the top choice for ultimate terrain challenges in bad weather. While there are other cool off-road configurations available not only in the F-150 lineup, but the entire half-ton truck segment, none of these vehicles are as impressive as the Raptor. We mentioned that there are 6 engines available for the 2025 Ford F-150, and we've covered 4 so far. The remaining 2 can be found under the hood of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. The base Raptor is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 that delivers 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Additionally, the Raptor comes equipped with ultimate off-road gear, including special shocks and suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a bed liner. Everything you need for an adventure. Ford also offers optional features for special quests, and if you can't find the right parts, there are plenty of aftermarket upgrades available to make your Raptor unique. A special version of the truck is available with incredible performance outputs. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is a model that not many enthusiasts can afford. It features a 5.2-liter supercharged V8, the same powertrain used by the Shelby GT500, which produces an impressive 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque for this pickup. With this power, the Raptor R easily outperforms the Ram TRX, often called a Raptor killer. Well, it wasn't. Raptor survived once again. However, the bad news is that the R badge package comes with a hefty price tag well into the 6-digit realm, with a $115,000 price tag. You could save a lot by opting for the Tremor package. It comes standard with 4x4 drive and skid plates. Additionally, the FX4 bundle is available for all but the entry-level trims. It adds an electronic locking rear axle, hill descent control, return front shocks, and a special mode for rock crawling. The skid plates included in the FX4 package protect the fuel tank, front differential, and transfer case. Plus, you'll get floor liners for the cabin and and special decals on the body, showcasing this as a truly special package. This is $1,095 well invested. F-150 Lightning electric truck. Many of you won't take it as part of the F-150 lineup, but the Lightning wears the same badge. Admit it or not, EVs are the future of the automotive industry. The only question is when electric vehicles will take over the market from classic configurations with internal combustion engines. Without delving too deeply into the pros and cons, let's check what the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning has to offer compared to its ICE counterparts. The electric truck is faster than the Raptor R with 720 horsepower. It takes under 4 seconds to sprint from 0 to 60. The range is 320 miles and towing capacity maximum 10,000 pounds. Don't expect a heavily loaded truck to go that far. Plus, these are specs for the extended range package. Standard version can haul up to 7,700 pounds and cover 240 miles on a single charge. Depending on a battery size, 15 to 80% battery recharge takes about 35 to 40 minutes. New challenges, but 2025 Ford F-150 remains #1 half-ton pickup truck. Main rivals are heavily updating their trucks for the new season. Ram has already launched its half-tonner with plenty of upgrades. The most notable one is the new inline-6 engine replacing V8 powertrains. We're still expecting an official release from General Motors. The Chevy Silverado will replicate visual changes from their full-size SUVs, while V8 engines are staying in the lineup. Despite these updates, both main competitors are way behind the F-150 in key areas. The towing capacity is the highest in its class, and Ford offers variety of options and covers all important needs. Whether you need a working machine, an everyday commuter, or an off-road adventurer, the F-150 got you covered. This versatility is thanks to its durable build and reliable engines. The price is a bit higher, but it's totally worth it. Budget configurations. Raptor and Raptor R configurations are quite expensive and not too many enthusiasts are buying them, although the performance draws attention. Instead, truckers opt for setups that'll suit their needs the most. The base version of the 2025 Ford F-150 will be priced at around $37,500. However, buyers are often willing to spend extra for a better ride. The average price paid for a new truck in 2023 was around $50,000. This money can buy you the F-150 STX or XLT. The latter one might have smaller wheels, but it enhances the look, safety, and towing. The STX will cost $45,000, and the XLT adds trailer hitch and backup assist, Copilot 360, and chrome bumpers for $4,000 more. Budget-friendly premium options. If you don't like the XL, XLT, or STX, the next trim level is a big investment. The gap between these and the Tremor or Lariat trims is more than $15,000. The first one is a light off-road truck, light compared to the Raptor, but it still allows for off-grid adventures. But the true premium offer starts with the King Ranch version. Heated and cooled leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, also with heating function, heads-up display, Bang & Olufsen sound, and the Blue Cruise driving assistant are just some of the advanced options you'll be getting with this one. Still, paying $75,000 for a truck is now out of reach for many fans, although packages that maximize towing and hauling come standard for the King Ranch. There are also 2 trim levels positioned higher. The Platinum model packs the truck with Pro Power generator, gloss black accents, and active motion seats. The difference in cost is not significant. It can be with the Platinum Plus optional bundle added to the configuration, but if you want the 2025 Ford F-150 Limited, be ready to splash more than $85,000 for the ultimate features the company is offering. Notable additions are the 2-tone seat color, twin-panel power moonroof, Pro Power generation of higher capacity, and a tailgate with a camera, sensors, and unique accents. If our opinion matters, then the Raptor is better for showing off on and off the road. Thanks for watching and see you next time.